Imagine a place, hidden deep inside the walls of an old British castle, forgotten by time. A garden so magical yet so real, that anyone who entered it felt their worries slowly melt away. This is the story of the forgotten royal garden that healed hearts, a place lost in history but remembered in legends, where nature, magic, and kindness intertwined to change lives. Centuries ago, in the 1800s, the royal family of a small British kingdom created this secret garden. But it was no ordinary garden. It was designed not just for beauty, but for healing hearts and minds. The archives describe rare herbs, flowering trees, and fountains that sparkled in the sunlight, a sanctuary where the royals believed sorrow could be soothed and courage inspired. Over time, the garden became a haven for those who sought peace. One such visitor was Lady Eleanor, a noblewoman heartbroken after losing her family fortune. Wandering near the castle's forgotten gates, she stumbled upon the garden. The moment she stepped in, she felt a shift. The air seemed lighter, the birds sang differently, and for the first time in months, Eleanor smiled. Each step among the flowers seemed to mend her heart, slowly lifting her spirit. She returned day after day, and in time, found the courage to rebuild her life, showing that healing is not always found in medicine or therapy, but sometimes in quiet, magical places where your soul feels understood. She was not alone in discovering the garden's magic. A young prince, anxious about his future, sat by the fountain and felt courage seep into his heart. A servant girl, who had lost hope, found patience and kindness guiding her toward a new path. Even a war veteran returning from battle felt a peace he had not known in years. The garden's magic was subtle, not immediate. It came through reflection, serenity, and connection with nature, allowing hearts to heal naturally. The garden was a reminder that life's challenges can weigh heavily on us, and sometimes the solution is not rushing or forcing change, but slowing down and allowing ourselves to feel, think, and connect. Small acts of kindness, quiet reflection, and gentle beauty can bring about the most profound transformation. Even today, if you visit old castles or historical gardens across the UK, you may feel a whisper of that same magic. The story of the forgotten royal garden inspires writers, dreamers, and historians alike. And perhaps, somewhere, the garden still exists, waiting for the hearts that need it most. So, next time life feels heavy, remember Lady Eleanor and the garden that healed her heart. Sometimes, magic is real, and it is found in the quiet places we least expect. It is in nature, in reflection, and in the simple acts that bring peace to our souls. If this story warmed your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical tales from history that teach us about life, kindness, and the wonders of the world we often overlook.